Have you ever wondered why we hiccup? It's a common and sometimes frustrating experience. Hiccups are caused by involuntary contractions of the diaphragm muscle. The diaphragm is a large muscle located below the lungs that helps us breathe. Normally, it moves smoothly as we inhale and exhale. But sometimes, the diaphragm contracts suddenly and causes a hiccup. There isn't one specific cause of hiccups, but several factors can trigger them. Eating or drinking too quickly can irritate the diaphragm, as can consuming carbonated drinks or spicy foods. Sudden changes in temperature can also lead to hiccups. When a hiccup occurs, the diaphragm contracts abruptly, causing a sudden intake of breath. This intake of breath is then halted by the closure of the vocal cords, resulting in the hic sound we associate with hiccups. Interestingly, hiccups are more common in infants and can even be a normal part of their development. It's believed that hiccups help babies learn to coordinate their breathing muscles. However, in adults, hiccups can sometimes persist for a longer duration and become more bothersome. You may have heard of various remedies to stop hiccups, such as holding your breath, drinking water, or getting scared. While these methods may work for some people, they're not guaranteed to stop hiccups. They might help stimulate the nerves in the throat and distract the brain from the hiccup cycle. If you experience prolonged or frequent hiccups, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional. In rare cases, hiccups can be a symptom of an underlying medical condition, such as nerve damage, gastrointestinal issues, or certain medications. So, the next time you have a hiccup, remember it's just a temporary muscle spasm in your diaphragm. Hiccups are usually harmless and tend to go away on their own. Thank you for watching, and if you have any more questions or topics you'd like us to explore, let us know in the comments below.